Hi, so in this video I'm going to look at some fractions of a quantity, but I'm going to make it slightly more difficult than the last ones. Okay, so let's look at an example in general and then I'll let us know how to do these three examples down here. Say we want to find 3/4 of 20. Okay, so we would have known how to find 1/4 from the last video, in the last bit of work, but what about if we want to find 3/4? So why don't I draw this out in a box like last time? And we look at this denominator here on the bottom of the fraction, and it's telling us to split the 20 up into sections of 4, or quarters. So I'm going to draw 4 boxes. Okay. So if I want to find 1/4, we just take that 20 and we divide it by 4, which means that that's going to be 5, that's going to be 5, that's going to be 5, and that's going to be 5. So I can see from this diagram that 1/4 of 20 is 5, but I don't want 1/4, I want 3/4. So that's one of them, that's one of them, and that's one of them. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is actually going to be 15. So 3/4 of 20 is 15. So we look at this here, we can do 20 divided by 4, which will give us a 5, and then we times it by the 3. Okay, so let's do a few examples of that. 2/3 of 18, let's firstly find 1/3. 18 divided by 3 is 6, and then 2/3 of 18 will be 6 times 2, which is 12. Okay, I want to find 4/9 of something. So I'm going to find what 1/9 is, and then I'll find what 4/9 is. 36 divided by 9 gives me 4, and then 4 times 4 will give me 16. So this is 2/5. So I want to find out what 1/5 is, and then find out what 2/5 is. 1/5 is going to be 40 divided by 5, which is 8. And then 2/5 will be 2 times 8, which is 16. And that's how you do slightly more complicated fractions of quantities.